Good afternoon, my name is Ashley from Welcome Estates and today I'm here to show you around this beautiful modern villa on the Finca Golf Resort. It's only 18 months old, it's got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and its own private swimming pool. Come on in, let's go and have a look. So there you have it folks, you have just seen around this beautiful 18-month-old property. 3 beds, 3.5 bath, private pool, ducted aircon, private driveway and located off a really quiet little side street. All of this available for only €449,000. If you are looking for a new build on the Finca Golf but you do not want to wait for the build times, this could be the property for you. Contact us if you would like to view it today.